Okay, thank you very much, guys. This is the Gift TV, and we are back again with more news. We are back again, guys, with more news. Okay, thank you very much. Umeona venye mambo imekuwa mingi, and to regard tungesema acha Mungu amprotect because the guy looks like anaweza kuwa mtu mzuri. With what tumeona ikiendelea, we are so sure that mbele kutakuwa kuzuri. And finally, Ruto mambo haitakwenda vizuri because this guy called Gachagua walimchukia, but the guy is like akona kapawa fulani. And for what happened recently, Gachagua talked about what the president did to those girls from Butere. Because even after whatever happened, the president never say anything constructive according to what happened. No. He was as if he was trying to condemn with the people, but what he really means wasn't that something that can try to move emotions of people. But what I want to say, guys, Gachagua will one day come rule this country, and kwa watu hawajui, huyu jamaa atakuwa opposition. And let me say, I think it's high time Raila is now going home. And this, let me say this without fear of contradiction. Raila anaenda nyumbani. This is the truth of the matter. And let me tell you one thing. Do you see this guy called Gachagua? Amekuwa akisema that they're coming up with a formula. We don't know which formula is that. We don't know what are they planning to imply in that formula. We don't know. But what I can say, even if the guy wouldn't stand for president, this guy atakuja kukuwa mtu mkubwa. This guy will come, atakuja kukuwa mtu mkubwa. And this is the truth of the matter. Huyu jamaa, let me say one thing, in Mount Kenya, huyu jamaa sahii, kama uko huko na unapanga kusimama without chama yake, you want to be well with this. Hakuna penye utaenda. That's the truth. Juzi amesema wamekaziwa maisha, yeye na gavana wa Trans Nzoia, their life in danger. Why? Because wanajua what these people are capable of doing. Wanajua, that is the truth. Wanajua watu wanaweza fanya nini, they are capable to do what. Hizo zote, they have all those details. Sasa sisi what we want to do, no, what we want these guys to do for us, let them keep our president on toes. Because what our president was trying to do is to do away with the opposition. And that is what he did to Raila. That is what he did to Raila. She does away with the opposition, thinking that there will be no other person like Gachagua emerging. So that is the truth of the matter. And what we want to do and what we want to say is that we are happy so far so good what Gachagua is doing, because anatuambia even more things hatukuwa tunajua, sahii tunajua happening in government, and we don't know. We are being told, yes, we are planning, we want to do this, we we've already done this, give us time, what, all those, more stories, more stories, more stories without even a completion. No, nothing interesting coming from those stories. No, total lies. Hmm? So as as through kulingana na venye sahii tunajua hatuna opposition ilishaenda now for all people we are putting ourselves on, who can just help us. Gachagua, maybe only that guy, watu wengine hakuna. That is the only thing we know, and we are happy, and we are happy for him. Thank you very much, guys. Keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel. To those outgoing viewers, please, thank you for the time we've spent with you. You've done what we needed you to do. Thank you very much. To the coming viewers, feel comfortable. This is the place to be. Thank you, guys. Okay, thank you very much, guys. This is the Gift TV, and we are back again with more news. We are back again, guys, with more news. Okay, thank you very much. Umeona venye mambo imekuwa mingi, and to Rigathi tungesema acha Mungu amprotect, because the guy looks like anaweza kuwa mtu mzuri. With what tumeona ikiendelea, we are so sure that mbele kutakuwa kuzuri, and finally to Ruto mambo haitakwenda vizuri, because this guy called Gachagua walimchukia, but the guy is like akona kapawa fulani